Welcome to this meditation for letting go of anxiety. Today we will explore breathing techniques and suggestive thought reprogramming to help us release energy that no longer serves us. Anxiety can be a debilitating and triggering symptom, inhibiting one from enjoying fruitful and peaceful daily experiences. The mental and energetic behaviour of anxiety can instead leave one feeling confused, doubtful, and fearful of present and future circumstances. Together, we will recognise that this conditioned way of reacting can be corrected and transformed so that one can experience the true joys and bliss of existence. When you are ready, find a quiet and comfortable spot where you feel safe and join us as we let go of anxiety. Whether you choose to participate in today's practice seated or lying down, afford yourself a moment to arrive in a state of comfort. Maybe closing the eyes or finding a soft gaze as you relax the muscles of the eyebrows, the face, the neck, feeling the shoulders drop away from the ears, finding comfort, finding stillness. We'll start today's practice by taking 3 cleansing breaths. Taking deep, gradual inhalations through the nostrils. And once you've reached your apparent lung capacity, pause for a moment and begin to slowly exhale with a sense of ease through the mouth. Try to embrace the body's natural cadence. Observe yourself relax a little more with every subsequent breath. Once you have completed 3 intentional and mindful breaths, begin to breathe at your natural rhythm, both inhaling and exhaling through the nostrils. If throughout today's practice, or at any stage during the day, you observe a fluctuation in your breathing, whether it be a restrictive form of breathing through the chest, or whether there is too much of a fixation or attachment on controlling the breath, that it begins to cause mental and emotional disturbances, know that you can always return to these restorative, cleansing breaths to help you relax, find comfort, and trust that you are safe. If mindful breathing is a new concept for you, it may seem to be intimidating and overwhelming. Know that this is perfectly natural, and by accepting your current emotional set point, you will ease any tension that may have manifested. With practice, you will become more familiar and accepting of this life-sustaining process. With persistence and enthusiasm, you will begin to appreciate and love the compassionate connection the breath affords us. Allow yourself to melt into the moment. Give yourself permission to simply be. You may choose to rest with your palms as they are, or you may like to gently place one hand on the belly and the other hand across the heart space. We will begin to explore the pranayama practice dirga, known as three-part breathing. Three-part breathing is a grounding technique to help you establish your natural rhythm and develop focus and concentration. The three parts of three-part breathing are the belly, the diaphragm, and the chest. Focusing on this three-dimensional aspect of breathing enables us to maximize oxygen consumption and foster concentration. Additionally, it enables us to let go of that which does not serve us, releasing emotions such as anxiety, fear, and stress. While you imagine the breath being broken into three parts, ensure the inflow and outflow of air are consistent in both duration and intensity. Placing the hands in direct contact with the body facilitates a greater mind-body awareness to focus and tune into the present moment, assisting us in letting go of distractions. To begin, we will slowly inhale through the nostrils, allowing air to pool in the belly. Gradually feel this air expand and travel upwards through the diaphragm and the rib cage, up into the chest, broadening the collarbones. Once you have reached your maximal inhalation, pause for a moment and begin to slowly exhale, allowing the air to leave the body as you gently contract the belly inwards, navel drawing towards the spine. Complete this sustained and gradual breathing pattern for the next few minutes, segmenting the inhalation and exhalation into a three-part sensory experience. If at any stage you lose track of this awareness, simply allow yourself to start over or adopt a breathing pattern that is more conducive with your current energy levels. Gradually beginning to let go of the dirga pranayama technique as we return to our natural state of breathing. Taking a moment to observe any sensations you may be feeling. Maybe your thoughts have begun to settle. Maybe you feel more relaxed. Or perhaps you notice no change at all. Whatever you are experiencing, trust that this is true for you in this instant, and that you are exactly where you need to be. Your enthusiasm to show up and create a safe space to let go of anxiety is fabricating new mental and energetic impressions of empowerment and self-confidence to help guide you to your natural state of well-being as you let go of what no longer serves you. Know that this practice is here for you whenever you would like to connect to the breath and find a state of peace. If ever the breath seems obscure and far away, try to explore the use of a mantra or positive affirmation to help set the tone for your next intentional breathing practice. Thank you so much for joining us in today's meditative practice. May you experience true peace and joy. Namaste. Thank you.